So students, now next question arises that how to prevent land degradation. As I told you that land degradation is the biggest challenge for farmer. So what is the method to accommodate the problem of land degradation in India? If we study the data, then total 97 million hectare land is degraded. It is a big data. So it is very important to stop land degradation. If the land degradation will be continue, then it will be very difficult for farmer to produce agriculture yield. Now these are the various methods through which we can accommodate the problem of land degradation. First method is very simple, afforestation. You know it very well, planting more and more trees is a very good way to prevent land degradation. If farmer adopt shelter belt, strip cropping and contour ploughing, then these are the various methods through which it will bound the soil and the land will not degrade for a long period of time. Because water eroded land is also very much in our India. Water over irrigation is a very important cause of land degradation. So afforestation store the water in the particular field and it will prevent land degradation. Proper management of irrigation. As you know that over irrigation is a big cause of land degradation because many farmers don't know how to irrigate the field. So if they will adopt the latest way of irrigation such as sprinkle irrigation, drip irrigation, then they could have two benefits. They can have two benefits. Land will not degrade for a long period of time, means it will maintain fertile, and second it will save water. So proper management of irrigation is also a very important method, good method to prevent land degradation. Adoption of organic farming. I told you overdoses of chemical fertilizer, pesticides in the field is a very important challenge. In the farm is a very important cause of land degradation. So if farmer adopt organic farming is also very important term. I will tell you in detail in next topic. But if, at least you can know the meaning of that, so I will tell you. By adopting organic farming means by adopting natural way of farming, by using animal dung, by using cattle dung, peels of vegetables, as well as natural way of farming is known as organic farming. Control of mining activities. Industrialization is also a big challenge of land degradation. So if mining activities will be controlled, then it will prevent land degradation and the land can maintain fertile for a long period of time. Control on overgrazing. Overgrazing is also a big challenge of land degradation. So if overgrazing will be controlled, then the land will maintain fertile for long period of time. Minimize use of fertilizer, pesticide, this I told you already, and proper disposal of industrial waste. Industrialists should be instructed that they need to make the waste free of germs and bacteria before discharging this waste into land. Means the industry should be very careful about that. They can make the waste be free of germs and bacteria before discharging it into land. So these are the various causes through which land degradation can be prevented. Thank you.